Welcome back to E-Man Deluxe. Let's get this wiring straight. Let's go! Ah yes, electrical troubleshooting. Where shall we start? Maybe the fuse box? I'm just literally falling apart, each fuse. I think I see maybe one or two good fuses. Oh boy, oh boy! You've got mail! This is J-Bugs, box number 1. Let's see what we got. Whoa, we got headlights. 6-volt headlights. Oh, yes. Okay, there we go. There are 2 headlights. I don't remember everything I got here. Let's see. You know what that is? Oh yeah, we got glass fuel filter, and we got another ground strap because mine's a little weak. German breather hose, German fuel line, more fuses. These are for the headlights, and that's it. Show you what's next in the other box. I love seeing this box here. All right, a couple more parts. This is a blinker, flasher relay, whatever. We got here. Oh, these are the for the headlight. These are connectors for the headlights. Mine are kind of beat. Yeah. You'll see what I'm going to do with that. That's the headlights. Those little tubes. They call them conduit tubes for the headlights. I'll replace those. This is a windshield washer stuff, a sticker. Windshield washer, just seals. Windshield washer, the wiper arm. And I bought another one of these because my axle seal seems to be a little finicky, leaks from time to time. And this is what I'm excited about. They got this back in stock. This is the rear rubber for the floor. Alright, so I need to make another one of these for the headlights. Wolfsburg West does not sell this piece. I didn't see it on their little map, so I bought this. It was 75 cents. I'm just going to bend this 90 out of here and just recreate this little thing here. So that way I can put the headlights back together. Alright, so in case you guys haven't figured it out, that little piece I just made, that's where it goes. It sits right in that little piece of rubber, and it's just to catch this screw. And I don't know, I misplaced it somewhere along the lines, and I must have swept it up, fell out on the floor in the basement here, and it's long gone. So anyway, put this back, and let's get these on the car. Alright, these lights are mostly assembled. I got a little fiddling to do with them still, but let's test them out finally. Fingers crossed. Parking. We got one. We got one. Ground's hooked up. It's probably a fuse, I bet. Let me turn this light off. Let's try that again. Fuse was missing. Still waiting on some fuses to... They're on back order. Oh, that's a great thing to see, huh? Oh, that's lovely. Look at that. Six volts. Running on 6 volts. There's something missing here, though. You got this little lip here on the top, and it's really not catching this trim right. Something else to sort out on both sides. This one's a little, this gasket's messed up, but that was expected. All right. Looking good. She's got soul, just like Marcy says. I just got frustrated at the end. Just need a little push down to catch that lip. And then tighten that one. So, they're solid. They're working. That's awesome. So pumped right now. Alright, we're getting a little deeper now. Troubleshooting these lighting. This lighting in the back. Pretty much just bad grounds. So this is what you're looking at right now is a tail light. Look at that. License plate light. Oh boy, we're getting closer. Okay. I'm gonna push the brake. Okay. Brake. Now we got tail and brake light. Okay. Gets better. Gets better. Okay. We're getting there. We're getting somewhere. Let's keep going. So it seems to be working fine on the driver's side. But for some reason, want me to show you? Okay. I'll show you. All right. Key on. Driver's side. It's kind of erratic. It's blinking fast, slow. So that's kind of telling me something right there. Now this is taking a right-hand turn. We got nothing. But on the other side of that switch, which is telling the lights to turn on and off, I do have voltage. So okay, so Wolfsburg West 6-volt flasher relay. This is an electronic flasher relay, specifically made for Wolfsburg West. So it's far superior, blah blah blah. Shows you your terminals in different cases, different years. So I'm going to throw this in. This is it right here. And I don't know, see if that solves it. Alright, so I threw that electronic thing in there. Flasher relay. Let's give it a shot. That sounds good. Let's see if the lights work. I'm gonna go to the rear here. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god. Oh, I got a bad bulb. I just got it floating in here. I gotta. That's cool. It's almost like this. If you feel it, it feels like a grandfather clock. Okay, let's try this. Oh, I'm so happy I don't have to take apart that switch. That's perfect. Boy, I might be going for a ride tonight. Oh my god, give me a plate, damn it! Alright, bulb checks out fine. Do you think that might be the problem? Your wire connector is all the way at the bottom. And it wasn't connected. Let's connect that and go for a ride. Alright, good night. Got all the white lights working. Blinkers and everything. Didn't even have to touch the license plate light. It's not a bad spot. Just a half-mile down the road. As seen on TV, Flex Tapes repairs 1,000,001 things, even your Volkswagen Beetle fender. Let's check it out. Yeah, so it's real thin here and here. So I just want to kind of mend it back together. I figure let's try this out. This stuff is not cheap. $20 for this. I gotta cut the size and kind of blindly put it in here. Hey, it's not bad. Save one little piece of rust. You can. Here we go. Problem solved. They got real super sticky. Go ahead and add a little dust in here. It's solid. All right. You guys remember that bird that was trying to make a nest in the glove box? Oh, she's back. Went to turn the radio on. Sorry, little one. I don't mean to scare you. There somewhere. I need that can of paint up there.